let's automatically create a post about this red light therapy for dogs and cats product that I have on one of my websites. I'm going to take the URL over to Blotato.com. I'm going to click Add Source Article, paste the URL in. I'm going to name it Mito Pet and click Add. Then I'm going to select YouTube, which I already had, and then Generate Post. Next, I'm going to tell the AI to remove asterisks, refer to dogs and cats up front. Do not use M dashes because the AI has a hard time with them, reading them and pronouncing them. And let's see. And the rest looks pretty good. Your dog or cat might be in pain. You wouldn't even know it. Arthritis, hip issues, muscle soreness. I said no. These are common in aging pets, but how do you help them without expensive meds or invasive treatments? That's where red light therapy comes in. The Mito Pet's pad targets pain at the source. I hope that the AI knows how to read NM, but I doubt it does, so let's help it. It's wireless, battery powered, fits over your pet's back, pets get relief. All right, so let's take this over to videos, and I'm going to click create new video, leave it on custom, describe the video, we'll paste in our script from the previous, and no, realistic, generate draft. So let's see if we like the pictures. Yeah, that one's pretty good. I like that one. Good. Animals that look like they might need some help. Guy loving his dog. Dog looking a little bit upset. These are good. Not really sure what the point of that one is. That indicates what it's about, but it's not really how it works. This one has several issues, so no cords to show. That's very nice, but unfortunately that's not what it looks like. Chronic pain, even skin. Most of these are pretty good. All right, so let's replace a couple of them. So I like the first one. I like the second one, third one. Let's change this one out. I'm going to let's click it and see what sleek modern Mito Pet's pad displayed in a well-lit living space, showcasing its design and technology with balanced lighting, emphasizing the product's features. Taken out of context, the AI did not know what to do with this. So let's give it some help. A sleek modern Mito Pet's red light therapy pad. Let's see if it knows how to do that. And also let's tell it it's a vertical image for a 9:16 video of a sleek modern. And let's give it a GPT image one. That would have been nice, but unfortunately that's not what the product looks like. So instead we will go to image, upload, choose a file, and we'll grab one of our product pictures. And it puts it here on the timeline. I'm going to select the one we're not going to use, click delete, drag the new one into the spot. Okay, and the next one, we'll do the same thing. We'll delete out the old one, click image, upload, choose file, select a picture, resize it, and drag it into the spot. Do that for this one. I think using a real product is very difficult for AI, especially when we're not giving it a model. So using product pictures really does make a lot of sense. And we will take the uploaded picture and put it in the spot, a little bit smaller. Okay, and this one would be, I wish I could keep that one, but it does not represent the product well enough. Image, upload, choose, open, resize, drag. I like that one. I like that one. Yeah, that one's good. Supports cellular energy. That's a dog with cellular energy. See the difference? That's very good. It's backed by science. Look, they're being scientific. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Okay, and everything but that one. So let's see what the AI had offered us for that image. An inspiring montage of happy, active pets engaged in playful activities. Let's say dogs and cats. A vertical image for a 9:16 video of an inspiring montage of happy active dogs and cats engaged in playful activities with their owners, basked in golden hour lighting to create a sense. All right, but we'll give it to a smarter model and click generate. Ooh, I don't remember seeing that one before. That's too icky for words. We'll get rid of that. Yeah, that's not working in a vertical, is it? All right, so once again, we'll use ours. I don't know how I missed this one. Wait, where'd it go? All right, let's do this again. This one. All right, who can tell me where that image went? It was there a second ago and now it's gone. It was the image, 2 dogs, and the one on our right. There he is. That's why. Ah, that's why. Okay, we're going to get rid of you because I didn't see it in the montage. All right. So image, upload, choose. There's one and it's on our timeline, and image, upload, choose, and that's on our time. Okay, we'll do the second one and put it, and you notice that I'm not trying to line up the times. We're going to use a tool to time this out for us. Just have to make them in a nice spot. I'm going to, with my cursor on one of the video panes, I'll click the align to captions, and now let's also put our URL on there. So we're going to click text, basic title, drag that onto the timeline and drag it all the way across, and we will say aswellyouShould.com / and then we'll get another text, basic title, drag it onto the timeline. Okay, and I'll get the rest of the URL, and let's put the URL at the bottom, not that far. All right, so this guy goes at the bottom, and it's like I'm dragging 2 things at once. There we go, and then we'll drag that. So I'm going to click on the 3 dots in my browser and make my browser smaller, which makes this window larger so it's easier to manipulate. And I'm going to put the captions up at the top, and then I'll return to base, going to 100%. We will check our script. So I will click on captions, and that will take us to our script. And what I would like to do here is go to the bottom and say, follow for solutions to help your pets live better. Learn more at aswellyouShould.com. Mito Red Light Therapy Pet. Mito Pets Red Light Therapy Pad. Mito Pets Red Light Therapy Pad. Great. And now let's generate some voice. So I'll do that by clicking on captions, scrolling to the top, clicking voice. I'm going to choose Will, and then I will click generate voiceover. Unknown error has occurred. Oh no. All right, well, let's make sure Will is still checked. Will is checked. Generate. Excellent. So I clicked on one of the images and then selected the align to captions, which spaced the images back out to the length of the caption of the video voiceover. Now we'll go to 0 and we'll play it. Okay. So next we will export the video. I have 2 options for posting this video. I can use Blotato, or I can use an automation that interacts with Blotato and my Airtable. So for this video, we're going to use Blotato, and in the next video, we'll use N8N automation. I'm going to click Create Post. Okay, and now that our text is part of a post, let's replace the indication for the voiceover. Let's change it back into an actual URL. Okay, so first one it popped up was TikTok. I actually didn't ask for that. It just gave it to me, but that is one of the places we can go. And so we'll click publish, and then the public can view the video, allow users to comment, do it, and Stitch is AI generated. Turn on to disclose the video promotes goods or services. Yes, it does. Branded content, and then we will publish it in the next free slot. So we have a calendar set up already, which I'll show you in another video, and we will click publish. That's it. We've now created a video and scheduled it for publishing on TikTok. Let's clone this to Twitter. Now we have way too many characters, right? Oh, and we lost our video. So in that case, let's go back over to videos, and we will go ahead and download this, and then let's go back over to create post, add media, upload file. Okay, it's still downloading. It's done. Okay, save. Okay, so let's say Dagger Cat might be in pain. Let's see how much that leaves us. 138, 301 out of 280. 259, grab our URL, 318. Your dog or cat might be in pain and you wouldn't even know it. Let's just say might be in pain. Arthritis, hip issues, muscle soreness, but how do you help them without expensive meds or invasive treatments? There's a new product called the Mito Pets Pad, 252 out of 280. I've got my media, click publish, and next free slot, and publish. Okay, now let's clone this to Twitter and TikTok. Let's do Instagram. Clone to LinkedIn and Facebook. So let's see, LinkedIn, 1486 out of 3000, 1486 out of 63,000. To Instagram. Instagram is 1486, but we need to add our video again. Upload. Looking for an image. Odd. Here's our Instagram. Publish. Next free slot. It's a reel. Correct channel. Publish. LinkedIn. add the media, publish, next free slot, publish. Facebook, add media, publish, as well you should. It's a reel, when to publish it, next free slot, publish. Okay, and that is how you create and automatically post a video using Blotato.